7.
Apple.
The weather is not with us. You ready? Only because it's a 2-hour drive today. We're going to Galway and then to Westport.
And then we're having a date night.
Date night? That's what she thinks.
We are absolutely drenched. That was not a nice ride. We are soaked. We've left our bike in an underground car park just because we want it a bit dry. And this is the Spanish Arch. What do you think, Neve?
I'll fix it.
No. Showing them where we are. Where are we?
Cong.
Yeah. There's the Abbey. And, sorry, I'm just eating a biscuit. We're going to go and see a place called the Guinness Tower, hopefully. It's all up to you. Your directions.
I don't know where we're going. I don't even have data.
Youth of today.
We have one that sits across my dog.
Is that real?
No, of course it's not.
I think they're the road
No, I'm just joking.
He's very still.
It's a statue.
Wow. I don't think I've ever seen
He's still
him.
there when we come back. No.
Oh no, he just moved his head. Wow. Never seen one before.
We can go up bits, yes. So my amazing girlfriend's phone found the tower. And we're going to try and go up it. To lock away the princess. Let's go inside. Move at the top! You are the queen! Tell you what, there's a lot of steps to get up there. Just a bit of a drop. Let's go back down.
Yeah.
Whew. Let's go. Look at that fucking money.
Hey guys, we're in Westport. Just taking our laundry. Going to a laundrette.
Stinks.
Hopefully there's a dryer there as well, because nowhere has their heating on in Ireland, so we can't actually dry our clothes.
It is August, so it's meant to be really hot anyway.
And then we're gonna run.
We're not.
We are going to go on a run through the woods whilst our clothes are washing, and then we're gonna go out for dinner, I think, later. And we're going to the spa tomorrow. So that will be so fun. Who's on our run with our laundry? Because the lady from the bed and breakfast sent us to a laundrette, and obviously not a laundrette, a dry cleaners, and that clothes won't be ready until tomorrow afternoon. So we have a long run to find a washing machine we can use, but we don't know where it is, and I've got no data on my phone, and Sam's left his phone at home, so
We're still trying to go to the quay. It's so fucking far. Ah.
So we washed the clothes and the dryer wasn't very good. So Neve is now running with the clothes that we washed to try and dry them in the wind. Our problem was that the clothes were wet, so we wanted to wash them and dry them. Our clothes are still wet. They smell nice, but probably spent like £20 just to fix this. £8 for the washing and drying, and now a taxi to get back to Westport because we're probably like a 40-minute walk away. And we're meant to go out for a nice dinner tonight, and this is what's going on right now. Wish us luck.
I was hoping to get one or do you want to get some?
How should I do it?
There's only nothing really to say but to see. It's on the sweet tongue and belly. Spelling about the weapons and around on the marks of our feathers we carry. Let's try and change the cycle around. Good wives we left them so. There's a man saw coming across the river, high up the English and thoughts of the law. I wish I was back home in Galway.